Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. We are still knocking down those informational books, really working hard, reading them. Today, we're going to find out how the books are different. Yesterday, we looked at how things were the same, right? We said these two books, even though they were about sea animals, they were the same in some ways. This one talked about turtles, but this one talked about crabs, but they both hide. They both, they both can get really heavy, right? They both have shells. So now I'm going to look for ways that these books are different. So I'm going to start off with the crab book. This crab has a fancy shell. But this book, when it talks about turtle shells, it shows a picture of them, but it doesn't call them fancy, does it? So the other one that they talk about turtles having fancy shells, this one is just that they have shells, right, for protection. Nothing fancy about it. So this one is how a crab can hide when he gets inside of his shell. So this one is a turtle hiding, but remember, sea turtles cannot hide. So there might be a difference where this talks about them hiding in a shell. This talks about that they cannot hide in a shell. All right. Let's see. Our last couple pages. This is about the crab wading, and then he gets big and heavy, right? This doesn't say anything about turtles wading, and it really doesn't say. It does say the loggerhead gets big and heavy, right? The big leatherback sea turtle, the big one, it gets big and heavy, but it doesn't really say what the other turtles are, right? Okay, and last page, just see if we can find some differences. Oh, this is about him hiding. Like, where is he? I don't think sea turtles really hide like that, right? Because they can't go in their shells. So that might be a way they're different. So, boys and girls, you're taking books that are the same in some ways, but finding ways that they're different. And maybe you could put a little sticky note on a page that you see where an animal is different from another animal, or a book is different from another book in some way. Even though they're about similar things, they can be different. All right, good luck finding those different